Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss some most important MCQ about nature of Indian economy. If you found this video helpful, do like, share and subscribe my channel. Which sector is the largest contributor to India's GDP? Correct answer is option C, service. Indian economy is best described as. Correct answer is option C, mixed economy. Which plan marked the beginning of economic planning in India? Correct answer is option A, first 5-year plan. The term Hindu rate of growth refers to. Correct answer is option C, slow overall economic growth. The term LGP in the context of Indian economy refers to. Correct answer is option B, liberalization, privatization, globalization. The national income of India is calculated by. Correct answer is option B, Central Statistical Office. Which sector employs the largest share of India's workforce? Correct answer is option A, agriculture. The concept of gross national income includes. Correct answer is option C, production within the country by both national and foreigners. The main objective of Niti Aayog. Correct answer is option B, economic planning and policy making. The Indian rupee is issued and regulated by. Correct answer is option B, Reserve Bank of India. Which is the largest source of tax revenue for the Indian government? Correct answer is option C, goods and service tax. Make in India initiative aims to promote. Correct answer is option B, domestic manufacturing. Fiscal policy in India is formulated by. Correct answer is option A, Ministry of Finance. The Green Revolution in India was most successful in improving productivity in. Correct answer is option A, wheat and rice. Which agency publishes the Consumer Price Index in India? Correct answer is option A, Central Statistical Office. The index of industrial production in India measures. Correct answer is option B, growth in manufacturing sector. Which committee recommended the establishment of the National Stock Exchange in India? Correct answer is option B, Narasimha Committee. Direct benefit transfer aims to. Correct answer is option B, provide cash subsidies directly to beneficiaries. The headquarters of the Securities and Exchange Board of India is located in. Correct answer is option A, Mumbai. Which sector in India has the highest contribution to employment generation? Correct answer is option B, service. Disinvestment refers to. Correct answer is option B, government selling its stake in public sector enterprises. The Planning Commission of India was replaced by which body? Correct answer is option B, Niti Aayog. The Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act aims to provide. Correct answer is option B, Rural Employment Guarantee. Which is the largest contributor to India's export? Correct answer is option D, software services. The Economic Survey of India is prepared by. Correct answer is option A, Ministry of Finance. Which tax reforms replace multiple direct taxes with a single good and service tax? Correct answer is option D, GST. Which international organization provides financial assistance to India for development project? Correct answer is option D, all of above. Which scheme aim to promote financial inclusion by providing bank account to all households? Correct answer is option A, Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. The Reserve Bank of India regulates. Correct answer is option A, monetary policy. The Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Act aims to. Correct answer is option A, reduce fiscal deficit. Which sector is known as the backbone of Indian economy? Correct answer is option A, agriculture. The minimum support price is announced by. Correct answer is option A, Ministry of Agriculture. The National Rural Livelihood Mission is aims at. Correct answer is option A, rural employment generation. Which Indian state has the highest per capita income? Correct answer is option C, Delhi. Which index is used to measure inflation in India? Correct answer is option A, Consumer Price Index. The lead bank scheme was introduced to. Correct answer is option A, promote financial inclusion. The Monetary Policy Committee in India is responsible for. Correct answer is option C, formulating monetary policy. The Ease of Doing Business Index is published by. Correct answer is option C, World Bank. Which tax is not subsumed under GST? Correct answer is option D, corporate tax. The National Pension System is regulated by. Option B, Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority. Which sector received the highest FDI inflow in India? Correct answer is option C, Information Technology. The Banking Ombudsman scheme in India addresses complaint related to. Correct answer is option C, customer service in banks. The Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Development Act defines MSME based on. Correct answer is option C, annual turnover. Which scheme aim at promoting digital transaction in India? Correct answer is option A, Digital India Program. The Real Estate Regulatory Authority regulate the real estate sector at. Correct answer is option B, state level. The Foreign Exchange Management Act in India is administered by. Correct answer is option B, Reserve Bank of India. Which tax is levied by the central government but collected and appropriated by the states? Correct answer is option C, excise duty. The National Investment and Infrastructure Fund was set up to finance. Correct answer is option C, infrastructure projects.